Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 Build 8040, specifically the FBL GRFX Dev 1 branch. Now this build was compiled on July 6, 2011, and the time bomb is March 15th, 2012. Now this is a milestone 3 build of Windows 8 obviously, and it was leaked online on October 16th, 2024. Before it was leaked, it was actually had a screenshot of the build, so yeah, that was pretty cool. Anyways, we are going to be installing this build in VMware, obviously. It's actually been a while since I've made an exploring video, and by while, I mean just like a couple days, so yeah, it's only been like 2 days, I think. Anyways, we're back making these exploring videos, because, I mean, I really got to make more of these, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be, yes, set that there, and then we're gonna be setting this to Windows 8 build 8040. Just not anything else, not anything too particular. It's fine. 2 CPU cores, 4 gigs of RAM. Yeah, whatever. Do whatever the heck you want. Oh wait, I forgot to remove the network adapter. It's fine. We can just get rid of it, just like that. Set USB over to USB 2. Put in our ISO. So yeah, the last build we checked out was 8039. Now the next build we're checking out is 8040. So, well, yeah. Anyways, we're going to click on close, finish, and there we go. So now we should be able to go ahead, do that, full screen our virtual machine, and then we gotta start the virtual machine, and we gotta set the date to well, actually no, we don't. We just gotta set it to 2011, and then we should be fine. There we go. We can go into free stretch mode now if we want to, which we do. We do want to do that. And I will actually be back once we are in the setup. So yeah. Actually, never mind. We're not back during the setup. We're gonna be back in this boot screen because the setup actually changes starting with this build. Also, today's the World Cup final, Spain versus Argentina. Oh, Argentina got a red card. That's crazy. Anyways, I don't really know. Anyways, we should be booting now. I don't know if we'll get the new boot screen. When do we get the new boot screen, by the way? I don't really know. It's not in this build, that's for sure. At least according to Beta Wiki. There we go. There's our boot screen, the completely normal boot screen. Hey, at least we don't have the Windows 8 upgrade saga to worry about, because that's already recorded. I'm editing it. If you're wondering when it's gonna release, I don't know. I don't know if when I should release it. Should I release it now or should I release it? Hold on, let me just check something real quick. Actually, I'll check later. Anyways, we've got the new setup. Well, not yet. It's still a black screen. Here's the new setup background. It is just blue. It is just this shade of blue. Yeah. We have a new setup background. You know, I should just make this the thumbnail. The thumbnail is going to be this setup background, basically, because, well, that's something new about this build. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Anyways, we are going to be clicking on next. Install now. Setup is very much starting. Yeah, setup is starting, guys. It just is. Oh yeah, that's why it's a Say Blue. That's why the name is Say Blue. That makes a lot of sense. It really does. Anyways, I'm probably gonna have to put in a product key. So I'll be back once we have put in that product key, because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. Oh, there we go. There's the product key screen. Alright, we are back. Also, I should really do a poll if you guys really want me to show you the product key screen, because I mean, I don't know why I do it. I just do it. I mean, I could, because you could still find the product key online, like, very easily, so I don't know if I should do. I'll do a poll. I'll do a YouTube poll. I'll probably make it later. Not right now. Anyways, about the Windows 8 upgrade saga, I'll just talk about that briefly before I pause the video. So, I'm actually debating if I should make it right now, or if I should make it on Windows 8's release date. I don't know. Yeah, I could upload the video on October 26th, 2026. Cause yeah, wouldn't that be like 14 years of Windows 8? Hold on, let's see. Yeah, it's almost been 13 years since then. Well, it's been 13 years, 8 months, but it would be 14 years. Yeah, I could drop this on the... Well, I could drop the upgrade saga on Windows 8's 14th birthday. That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool video to drop on this big milestone, so... Or I could delay it for a year and drop it next October and keep you guys waiting. I don't know. I'll do a poll. Yeah, I'll do another. I'll actually make this poll right now, and we'll see what wins. So, yeah. Alright, I'll see you when something interesting happens. Hopefully when it gets to the out-of-box experience. Wow, the video is already 6 minutes long. I don't think this is going to be a 10-minute exploring video like last time. Alright. Alright, we are in the cursed out-of-box experience now, and, yeah, I really don't know what... Oh my computer is so lagging. I need to prop it up like in the last video. Oh no. Please don't open a new tab. Anyways. Yeah, whatever. Just do it, man. Alright. Let's go do the thing. Yeah, get some air. Come on. Get some air. Don't unplug, please. I don't want the docking station plug. Okay, now it's getting airflow. Yeah. Okay, so also I feel like I'm gonna drop the upgrade saga like a day before I did. Yeah. Pooping. Anyways, it is now. Oh, the score is 1-0. Spain has 1 goal. Let's go. Let's go. It needs to end soon. Okay, now we will be back. Alright, we are back, and it's still 1-0. They have like 5 minutes. Come on, I hope Spain wins. Anyways, we are going to set the screen resolution. I hope nobody unsubscribed because of my... Well, also, hopefully this doesn't age like milk. Please do not age like milk. That would be really bad if it aged like milk and Argentina wins. Yeah, that would be really bad. Okay, anyways, we are going to now grab everyone's favorite, Red Lock. Why? Because we need to check out the new features, you know? Although, to be fair, the splash screen is now a colored Windows logo instead of a white. What is it talking about? Oh, I think it's for after you get to Red Pill. Okay, that's cool. Anyways, we are going to be checking that out now. Descriptions are now more informal. What description? Alright, so we've got the charms menu. I don't know which... Oh yes, we gotta figure out the refresh your PC thing. Oh yes. We need to check out the recovery. We haven't checked. Oh no, I was supposed to check out the recovery. I forgot. I completely forgot. We'll check that out. We'll check that out after we get Redlock. So yeah, after we get Redlock, we'll check out obviously the recovery, because there's apparently some brand new things in the recovery for the installation. Apparently, we'll check that out. We will check that out because the recovery environment is, well, yeah, I don't know where you would find. I think it's the immersive control panel actually. So I'll be back once Red Pill is installed, so that we can check these features out. Alright everyone, we have returned, and as you can see, we are now going to go here. Oh wow, it's fine. Anyways, we are now in, and yeah, we're going to now go into obviously the control panel. So we're going to be checking that out, but first we're going to be checking out the charms bar. So as you can see, apparently this is has a color. I don't know if it had a color before, but Beta Wiki says it didn't have a color before and it's getting a color now. So yeah, I guess that's pretty cool actually. Anyways, we are going to now go into control panel, because apparently descriptions are now informal. I don't even know what that means. Windows is unable to detect a network connection right now. Establish a network connection to... If you don't have an internet connection, you can activate Windows on a phone. Actually, I would like to activate Windows on a phone. So here we are. Choose an app. There's just all this stuff. We can change the accent color if we want, which won't actually change, which is just awesome. Anyways, let's go back to the control panel, and we will go over to... What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? Alright, give me back to the control panel. Anyways, I want to restore my PC. Well, Windows Update. Windows Update. Oh, it's probably... Oh yeah, it says rejuvenate right here. That's nice. So now we're going to rejuvenate our PC. Is your PC running slowly or Alright, let me do this again. Is your PC running slowly or experiencing... Oh, god dang it, I didn't do it. Is your PC running... Oh my gosh. Is your PC running slowly or experiencing frequent problems? This can fix common problems while keeping your personal files intact. I still didn't do it correctly, but anyways, let's go and open Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate your PC. Next. Please wait. Preparing. Okay, it's now preparing. I wonder what it's gonna do to rejuvenate my PC. Insert your Windows installation or recovery media. Alright. Let's insert the disk. Let's do just that. Alright, here is our ISO. We'll click on OK. Alright, ready to rejuvenate your PC. Your PC will restart. Alright, let's rejuvenate our PC. And now it is restarting. I wonder what this actually does. I don't know. Apparently this was supposed to be called the refresh PC option, but it's called rejuvenate your PC. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see what it does. Preparing to rejuvenate your PC. I'm pretty sure that is exactly what it says, right? What do you mean there's a technical issue displaying this file? Oh, I gotta refresh the page. I gotta refresh Beta Wiki. Oh yeah, of course. Anyways, if we go back here, oh, it says preparing options. That's strange. I think I picked the wrong option, but that's fine. We'll go through this too. So yeah, here it is trying to rejuvenate my PC. Preparing to rejuvenate your PC. And there we are booting up into something and rejuvenating your PC. It's now rejuvenating. That's actually pretty cool. I think it's doing some, I don't know what it's doing. This might be a stupid idea, but I want to restart the computer. Let me make a snapshot first. I've made a snapshot, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart the computer. Oh wait, no. Oh, okay. Alright, now I've restarted the computer, and let's see what exactly happens. What was that? That did not seem good. Welcome. Okay, we're booting back up. Welcome is kind of okay. No, never mind. It's back. It's back to normal. Alright, but we're gonna have to boot off of the ISO anyway. I don't really care if the build breaks. So, yeah. Anyways, we are going to wait for it to boot back up. Actually, no, we're not. We're gonna restart the computer. We're going to reboot. And we're gonna press escape. And then we're gonna boot off of the CD. Because, well, we need to boot off the CD so that we can get into the recovery options, which is the last thing we gotta check out in this video. And after we check out the recovery options, we can just, well, then we can take a look at the, after the recovery options, that's the end of the video. So, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna press a key to boot off of our CD or DVD. Launch Windows Setup. Setup is loading files. Well, it doesn't say setup is loading files, but you get the point. And now we wait, because it's booting off of a disk. Well, actually, it's not booting off of a disk. It's booting off of an M.2 NVMe, because we don't actually have the disk, but it's emulating a disk, so. Well, yeah. Anyways, welcome again. Yeah, very, very nice. I wonder if VMware lets you record the virtual machine. If it does, I don't think we need OBS. Alright, we are now going to click on next. We're going to click repair your computer. And it doesn't take us there for some reason. Don't know why. How do you get to the recovery option? How do we get to the recovery environment, bro? How did we get there exactly? I'm so confused. I am actually confused. I am genuinely confused. The Windows installation is right there. Come on. Come on, it's right there. I'm gonna do some research and I will return. I will return. That's probably a good idea. So oh, there we go. Now we are going to click on next. Searching for problems. If problems are found, why did startup repair just start? I didn't want startup to repair to start. I wanted to go to the recovery options. I think we froze it, guys. Alright, anyways, I'll be back after I do some research. I have returned. Also, our thing is now green. Cool. Anyways, here's how we actually go into it. We gotta open up control panel again. And oh my gosh, it is crashing out. It does not like, alright, we're gonna go into we're gonna go into reset encountered a problem. Your PC is not changed. Okay, cool. General. That's notification. General. Alright, we're going to now scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. It's not here. Where is it? This is not good. Anyways, we can just open up the charms bar. And then go to settings. And then press shift restart. Alright, shift. Press shift restart. Alright, come on. Boot into the recovery, please. I was holding shift. If this doesn't work, then we can use a command, apparently. So, yeah. I just want this to work, please. I don't know if I'm supposed to let go. Okay, I think I can let go. Alright, hopefully it will boot up into the advanced options. And it doesn't seem to be doing that. Okay, I guess we're gonna use the command. So let's wait for it to boot up. Oh. Alright, we should be booting. FBO GRFX. Okay, now we're going to go over to the desktop. We need to make a simple command. We need to run a simple command, obviously. So let's go into command prompt. So we're gonna run command prompt, then pin it to the taskbar and do this very complicated mess, but it's fine. Run as, wait, no, that is not what I meant to do. Run as administrator. That's what I want to do. Yeah, show me the UAC prompt. And yes. Yes. Can I get my CMD window, please? Thank you. Alright, there's our CMD. We can get out of the old one. Get out. And now we can type in the command. Alright, also Spain won the World Cup, so my joke did not age. My joke didn't age well. It actually did age well. What am I saying? My joke did age well because Spain won and Argentina did not win, so that's great. Anyways, we gotta type in shutdown /r /o /t 0, and now it should boot. Reasons on this computer. I guess E. I don't know. Can we just run this again? What on earth? What would we do? I already put in 0. I already put in the 0. It doesn't do anything. Alright, actually, we're gonna try this command because I think it should work, hopefully. It does not work exactly. Why doesn't it work? It shows the same reasons. Okay, so we need to figure out. Okay, so I have to apparently do prepare it. What? You can edit the boot configuration data directly. Okay, let's go ahead and bring this up on my computer so I can just copy and paste it. I'll be back after we actually boot up or something. I don't know. Okay, I guess we gotta just press it. We gotta spam F8. Spam F8, spam F8, spam F8. There we go. Repair your computer. Alright, we are now here. Which for some reason we've got advanced boot options. Okay, I don't really know. Alright, we'll try that. Please wait. So, yeah. I mean, hopefully that does it. I don't know. Alright, we are now on please wait. Oh, here it is. Wait, no. Wait, what? Wait, what? It brought me to the Windows 7 one. What? How did BetaWiki even get the thing? What? Yeah, I do not know. Well, I mean, we tried to do it, so yeah. Well, yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. So, yeah.